Understanding the phrase, to the wall, a guide for English learners. Hello, and welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're diving into the interesting phrase, to the wall. This expression might sound simple, but it's packed with meaning and is quite common in English conversations. So, let's explore what it means and how you can use it effectively in your daily English. Initially, let's understand the phrase in its literal sense. The words, to the wall, simply describe a physical location, being close or up against a wall. This can be visualized as standing or placing something so that it is touching or very close to the wall of a room or any structure. In most cases, to the wall is used in a figurative sense. It means to push someone into a position where they have no escape or to challenge them to the extent that they must respond or make a difficult decision. It's akin to saying someone is backed into a corner, with no easy way out. To better understand this, let's look at some examples. 1. In a debate, the opposition's arguments were so strong, they had us to the wall. 2. In a business context, the new policy put smaller companies to the wall, forcing them to adapt or close. 3. In personal situations, his relentless questions had me to the wall, and I had to admit the truth. Notice how in each of these scenarios, the phrase conveys a sense of being pressured or challenged. There are variations of this phrase, like, back against the wall, or up against the wall, which essentially carry the same meaning. Also, similar expressions in English include phrases like, in a tight spot, or between a rock and a hard place. I hope this video helps clarify the meaning and use of the phrase, to the wall. Remember, understanding these idiomatic expressions can really enhance your fluency in English and make your conversations more natural. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing your English with us.